Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, so let's pick up where we left off yesterday. We had a 4-day range into last week, which they started to break out above on Friday. We talked about a retest of the most key area for the week. Weekly pivot, round number 2,900, and the top of the shaded area here, which had been resistance in the prior week. All they did was they walked it right down in there around 10:30, 10:45, 11 o'clock, held it, tested it one more time into lunch, solidified it, and ripped it 20 handles. So we walked through it yesterday morning. It held the area we wanted it to hold. In the room, we were short into it. We got long. We're long 02 right now. What I've done is we've taken profits. I just slid my stop up to 17 to lock in 15 handles on the runner. That puts the room at about 15.5 yesterday, which on a true 4-day week, remember Friday's closed, Globex is closed, everything's closed. On a true 4-day week, you always want to get, you want to be capturing handles early in the week. So the bigger picture is this. It tested the key area. They got it out of the way on Monday. Higher highs, that sets up this slow bleed to 29.40. And the bears have got a whole hell of a lot to overcome if they want to avoid it. So everybody hates the rally. Nobody wants to hear it. Everybody wants to hear about, well, where's the top? Where's this? Where's that? Look, until the bears can find their car keys and get it together and hold the 9-day as resistance, we're just going to keep going up. So it's a rally that everybody has hated. It's a rally that you know that until yesterday it's been hard to get in and hard to hold. Yesterday was very easy to get into. I mean that was I mean they laid that at your feet. How many things do you want it to test all at once? Plus I told you exactly what it was going to test. Weekly pivot, round number 2,900, prior resistance. So the concept of resistance going support, the concept of retesting a big area like 2,900, the concept of turning weekly pivot into support earlier in the week, all that was done with one shot yesterday morning between 10:30 and 11 o'clock in the morning. So what do the bulls have to do now? Well, they just have to keep on keeping on. So they have made higher highs. We've traded as high as 21.25. You can see the band up there. It would take some doing. I would be pretty surprised if we got there today. But if the bears don't provide a reason not to continue to go higher, we're just going to continue going higher. They will slowly bleed this thing to all-time highs. They just will. Because it's what's next. So it's not, look, it's not sexy. It's not exciting. It's just buying dips and, doing the same things that we've done for years when the bears have no... the bears just don't have anything. There's nothing behind any of the moves. We were short off the open yesterday, had a really nice short. But as soon as they start to drop the ball down there, in that area, you have to make the adjustment and get long. You just do. So this morning, as I look at my 5-minute chart, you got the hourly mid-band coming in at 13 and change. You got volume weighted average price coming in and around 16 quarter. If an area was going to get tested off the open, I would expect one of those two areas, that 13 to 16 chunk of price sets up as a potential area for a morning test. But look, if they can't convert 13 to 16, it's just a buy. So, and it's not that I'm all bulled up. Everybody, then I start getting the mail. I'm all bulled up. Everybody says I'm all bulled up when all we do is go up. Everybody says I'm all beared up when all we do is go down. December, I was a bear. I'm just, I do what works. And right now, until they can convert something that matters, these longs keep working. So what are we going to do in the room? Well, first of all, we're going to let our 29.02 run and run, unless they can take us out at 29.17. But assuming they do, and I think they will off the open, there should be enough juice to get that done. Then we'll We'll see what they can do with 13 to 16. We'll see if they want to make some lower highs. I have no problem getting short. But the reality is lately you've just been getting short to get long. You've been getting short to get long. So don't get stubborn. Don't get ideological about this market's gone up enough and we're not going to make new all-time highs and all the other stuff that we tell ourselves when we hate a rally. Just be the ball. And if they can't take it down any further, take your rental trade to the downside, buy that dip and let it run. That's what we did yesterday, and it's worked out very nicely. All right, everybody have a good one. I'll be out 9:20 on Instagram this morning. Look, I was sick last week. I'm over my cold. My house is not torn up anymore. So, it's just a lot going on, and it's kind of been a dead tape. So I'm kind of getting back into my normal routine. I'm going to be bugging you guys on Instagram a lot more, bugging you guys on Twitter, getting out on getting the live shots in, and and then every day I do my thing in here, and we got a nice 15 handle start to the week in the room, so I'm happy about that. All right, take care, trade them well. See you at 9:20. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.